Hello again, everyone. So in this video, we want to get into the importance of memetic entropy in communication. So basically, memetic entropy is just a measure of the amount of information complexity and how that information, how easily shareable and memorable that information is. I will include this in the description of the video actually, and kind of a breakdown. But I kind of just want to get straight to it so I can you can visually see what the impact of memetic entropy is. Initially, we're going to go through the imagery. Here I just have an image of a falcon and a snake, and based on the complexity of the image, it's pulling back a memetic entropy score of 7.8. So there's some complexities. There's, multiple things happening. There's two different key objects of focus, things like that. They kind of add to the complexity of this image. I guess that's kind of why the score's high as it is. Here we have a banana, obviously, two things, yellow, plain background, kind of shadow, things like that. That has a memetic score of 5.6. Here we have a dog. I was wondering why the actual dog score was lower than the banana, in the same range, 5.2, 5.6, single object, plain background, easy to remember, easy to pass on, nothing majorly complex about either of these images. And then finally, we just have the FalconsAI logo, which if you notice, the score drops down significantly to 0.0 or a 0.7. So it's a logo, single color, white background, no shadows, no complex structures, I think is why this image got the score as low as it did. So it's easily transferable, it's easily identifiable, things like that. Now we're going to do text. So this also applies to text in your communications, whether it's a slogan, a tagline, even a headline of an article. You can look at, how to optimize the shareability, the meme-ness, I guess would be another word or term you could describe it. So let's look at some text we ran. Initially, we just did the nationwide is on your side. Famous slogan from a nationwide commercial. And this came back with a score of a 3.4. We did FalconsAI is AI for good. So that came back with a 3.35. So, just under nationwide is on your side. Then we have, the iconic got milk slogan. That came back under 3 with a 2.9. And we also have Just Do It, the Nike famous slogan. And that came back with a score of a 2.92. So once again, if nobody in your marketing department, in your brand, in your agency who's working on your advertising or things to, draw customers' attention, whether it's prospects or current customers' attention, you may really want to kind of have them look into the memetic entropy side of things. And like I said, I'll include the description in the video description that we have here, but that's just, another way to use tools, AI, to kind of gauge, how to make your communication more effective, whether it's an image or it's text. There are numerous ways that it can be optimized to make it more sticky, make it more shareable, increase the potential or probability for virality. Once again, memetic entropy scoring with FalconsAI. Thank you for your time. 125.